World 200 meters champion Shericka Jackson with a stunning performance, as she won the Diamond League 200 meters race in Monaco today. Jackson clocked 21.86 seconds for victory, with Julian Alfred coming in second in 22.08 and former world champion Dina Asher-Smith was third in 22.23. World-leading United States champion Gabby Thomas was only able to grab seventh in 22.67. Shericka Jackson never looked threatened as she eased to victory in a packed field, to beat recent collegiate champion Julian Alfred of St. Lucia, who was second. Alfred, fresh off a stunning victory over Sha'Carri Richardson in the 100 meters, has also announced herself as a medal contender in the women's sprints at the World Championships. Former world champion Dina Asher-Smith of Great Britain produced a season's best of 22.23 in third. After the race, Shericka Jackson spoke to reporters and said this: "It was great for me today. Last time I was second here, so to come here and take the win, it is really good," Jackson said after. "I have 3 competitions in a week, so it is a bit hard for me. One more coming up, it will be London. This season 1 focus on myself and I just stay in my lane." She added, "I want to make sure I am in top shape in Budapest."